Yeah, yeah, check me out, check me out. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out.
Greetings YouTube, Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. In this quick update video, we want to bring you guys a quick look at exactly what has happened over at the Red Shed in exactly the past 5 days. If you've been following the video series on the Red Shed, you remember that about 5 days ago we planted bush beans over at the Red Shed, and we told you guys we'd bring you guys back at the very first signs of seed germination. Well, yesterday we came out and a lot had changed over there at the Red Shed. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what has changed over at the Red Shed in exactly the past 5 days. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, here we are over at the Red Shed. As you recall, we planted approximately 46 bush bean seeds here in this planter about 5 days ago. And here, YouTube, here is exactly what has happened in exactly the past 5 days at the Red Shed. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that? I'm going to walk you guys down along this line and show you guys exactly how many of these bush beans have actually germinated and poked up above the soil in exactly the last 5 days here at the Red Shed in our front yard garden extended grow area here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Can you guys see that? Well over 3/4 of the seeds that we planted have already germinated and began to poke above the soil here. And we're really quite pleased by what we see in the rate at which our bush beans have germinated here at the Red Shed. If you recall, this is our 2-foot by 6-foot main hugelkultur garden planter. It's also a raised, an elevated raised bed planter. This is our oldest and most well-built planter here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And we're really, again, excited to see exactly how well these seeds seem to be germinating here in this partially shaded planter here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Again, today is Saturday, April 4th, 2020, and we'll bring you guys back in approximately 7 more days and show you guys exactly what has happened at that time here at the Red Shed. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you are currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing bush beans at the Red Shed. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Yeah, check me out, check me out. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. Studio HH 1000. Check me out, check me out. They like my rhymes and how they flow, and I'm a mouth. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. I say that's how we do it in the dirty south, dirty south. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. Come girl and let me show you what I'm all about, all about. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. When I get through, I'm not gonna leave you with no doubt, no doubt. Check me out, 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 check me out. Check me out, 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 check me out. When I get to you, I'ma make you all mine, all mine. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. You're looking good, girl, you know you're so fine, so fine. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. out. Morning, noon, and night, you're all on my mind. My mind. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. I'm out here hustling, girl, cause I stay on my grind. On my grind. Check me out. 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 Check me out.